Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a resume on Wix. First, you'll want to sign up for a free Wix account or log in if you already have one. Once inside your dashboard, look for the Create New Site button. From there, you can browse through various template categories. Be sure to select the Resume and CV option to find designs specifically tailored for professional applications. This ensures you start with a strong foundation. After selecting Resume and CV, you'll see many professional templates. Pick one that best suits your industry and personal brand. Wix offers extensive customization options, allowing you to change layouts, colors, and fonts. Aim for a clean, readable design that makes a strong visual impact. Remember, your resume is often the first impression, so make it count with a polished and professional look. Now it's time to add your essential content. Start with your contact information, including your phone number, email address, and a link to your professional LinkedIn profile. Next, detail your work experience, listing job titles, company names, and employment dates. Be sure to highlight your key responsibilities and achievements using action verbs. Don't forget to include your education, relevant skills, and any notable projects or volunteer work. Before publishing, thoroughly proofread your entire resume. Check for any grammatical errors, typos, or formatting inconsistencies. Use Wix's preview feature to see how your resume looks on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring it's responsive and professional. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button. You'll then receive a shareable link that you can send to potential employers or include in your job applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.